What's up YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimmy. I lost to the sun. You guys will see that I was racing the fucking sun to make this video, but I am doing my natural beat makeup look. I did a Reels video for Instagram, but it is so hard trying to fit everything into a 15-second video, so I decided to do a step-by-step process that's a little bit rushed for YouTube. So hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial, I guess. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial, and yeah, let's just hop right into it. This is my third time doing this, so we're gonna get it right this time. I'm filming in front of my window, so sorry for that shadow. If it's annoying, should I move? So I'm just gonna film right here. You can probably hear my dogs playing in the background as per usual. I'm gonna put my hair back. And just clip my hair out of the way because I hate when it's in the way. I'm starting to use hair clips now instead of hair ties because I feel like hair ties are really breaking my hair. Third time is a charm, okay? Like, I'm sorry. I feel like that shadow is just annoying, but we're gonna fucking race the sun right now, so yeah. First thing I'm gonna grab is my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is my all-time favorite primer. It is so dang good. I'm just gonna put it on my nose, my chin, and my forehead, and basically my whole fucking face. And then just dab it underneath my eyes. This primer is so good. It just makes your foundation stick on all day. Like, it is amazing. The next thing that I'm going in with is my Cocoa Kind Maylite highlighter stick. I love this stuff so much just because it gives me like a glow from within type of highlights when I wear it underneath my foundation. So look at that. I'm putting that on my cheekbones. Then you can use your fingers or a sponge to blend it out. Dude, this mirror is so old. Oh my god. I love this highlight for underneath my foundation. It is so nice. Like, look at that. And I love it for no makeup days where I just wear this and mascara. So now that we got the highlighter on, I'm gonna go in with my YSL All Hours foundation. It has SPF 20 and it's up to 24-hour wear, flawless matte, full coverage, and oil-free. I'm in the shade BD60 Warm Amber, and I usually go in with like a pump and a half. And I freaking love this foundation so much because it's super thin, but it gives you full coverage and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. And it's not overly matte. It has a really, really nice matte finish to it. So I'm gonna blend it out with my sponge. Love, love, love this foundation. It lasts all day. It's super nice and it looks super natural, like a really, really nice natural finish. Personally, I don't like to wear too much on my forehead, just enough to even out the skin tone on my forehead. Ooh, that looks so good. Like, look at that. It's such a nice, oh my god, I freaking love this foundation. So the next thing that I'm going in with is my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Tan Neutral. I don't really go too heavy with concealer. I just like to put some underneath my eyes, just enough to, you know, cover my dark circles. I used to go ham with concealer. Now I really don't. I really like a nice light layer. Before I used to go in like forehead, nose, chin, all of that. Now I just go with this. And before I blend it out, I usually like to let my concealer dry down a little bit so that I have more coverage because it's not as liquidy and it won't get sucked up into my sponge. So I like to let it sit for a bit and then blend it out. While that's drying down a little bit, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Espresso. In my video, I did use a clear brow gel, but I've been trying to find like a nice tinted brow gel, so I'm testing this one out. I don't really do too much to my brows. I just comb them out and I prefer to have them as natural as possible. So I'm just gonna go in with this and brush them up a little bit. just to add some color and definition. I just prefer the really nice natural brow. And we're losing the sun, no! No! It's okay, we're not panicking, we're not panicking. Going in with my brush. Just gonna blend out the edges. Damn, we're really racing the sun right now. Damn, the sun goes away so fast. What in the heck? I'm going in with my Coco Kind Chigagalo bronze highlighter. I love to use this to bronze up my face and add more color to my face. But I like to put it on my hand first just to melt the product. And then I use a nice brush. This is so dirty, oh my God. I'm going in with the brush and then I like to stipple it onto my face. And then my forehead right here, connecting it. It just adds a really nice glow to the skin. And the reason why I really like to use cream products is because it just adds like, it just looks more natural compared to powdered products. Ooh, should I move? I'm gonna move. Moving. We're chasing the sun, yo. We're chasing the sun. This tutorial is fucking trash. And I just love how it just gives me like a really nice natural bronzy look. Like, look at that. Ooh, that looks so good. Dang. Next, I'm going in with my favorite blush at the moment, which is the Sunny's Face Air Blush Cheek Tint in Doll. Love, love, love cream blushes right now because again, it just has like a really nice natural finish to it and it looks more natural compared to powder. So I like to go ham with my blush, okay? Like super ham. I love the whole blushed look all over the face and the nose. So patting it in, not sweeping, because I don't want to sweep product away. I really want to push it into my skin. And then my nose. Can never forget the nose. I love a blushed nose. Before we powder the face, I'm just gonna blend out the creases underneath my eye. I'm gonna set my face with the Dermablend loose setting powder in translucent. I've been using this powder for years. Is it the best? I don't know, but it works. So I'm just gonna press that into my skin and then into my smile lines. Leave it there before I brush off the excess. I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop Pressed Powder Cheek in Perk Up. It's like a nice soft brown. It's not like a really dark brown, just enough to add color to my face. And I'm gonna use this to add some color to my lids. Sun, come through, don't leave. The hardest part, the part that takes the longest is my fucking eyelashes, oh my lord. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and take a fluffy brush just to brush off the excess powder. I'm gonna take more of that same Colourpop shadow that I put on my eyelids and use it to just lightly shape my nose. I don't necessarily contour, I just add enough to have some definition instead of it just, you know, looking like I have fucking foundation and that's it. Connecting it to my eyes. I love connecting it to my eyes. For setting spray, I've been using the same setting spray for a very long time. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, just to melt everything together. Woo! I usually have my fan with me, but I don't have it. We are literally doing my makeup so fast because the sun is almost gone and it's so stressful. Holy cow. And I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude in a waterproof formula because my lashes are pretty much fucking straight and I need waterproof to kind of hold a curl. Dang, look at them lashes though. You know, my left side just never cooperates. Oh, that hurt. And the sun is gone. Fuck my life. Put this on my lashes. Oh, holy shit. I poked my eye. We're fine. It didn't get on my lid and it's okay, but my eyes are watering. Oh my fuck, that hurt so bad. Never do your lashes rushing. Like, my eye is watering. Oh my god. Lastly, we have the NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. This has been my go-to lip gloss for like years. I've been through so many bottles of this. It's basically my lips but better type of color. Like, it's so close to my natural lip color. Boom. I hope my makeup looks good because I kind of rushed it. Let me fucking take this off. Let me just situate myself real quick. Oh my god, this is such a mess. So this is my go-to natural beach makeup look. The sun won this time, and I'm sorry if the lighting's horrible. But this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you have enough time to do your makeup compared to me and you don't have to rush and poke your eyeball. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I meant it more, girl. Oh.